Everybody run, come, run, come. Jayden Expo, Archie Private, plum. Yes, it is all over pan, one olive fan. Blood clot. When the woman puts that part, hey, Lord Jesus. Oh, what a front. Oh, what a hearty front that. And it told Jesus Christ. Everybody, I see private part. Oh my, oh God. Why Jayden do a thing like that? Jayden, you have to go down today. You're too wicked, man. You're too wicked, Jayden. You're too wicked. You're a little wicked boy, and evilous. You're a evilous boy, Jayden. Oh, why this was the woman private part. And all the family and everybody run with the front. Me have the front too, you know. Me have it on my phone. Me have it too, you know. Oh, me have everything, my love. You sound wicked. You Wanna have to go down, you know. You do them something to get fear, man. Them something if you stop it. You must stop it, Jayden. Oh, why you export after like that? You're not a sister. You're not a sister. You don't like anybody do that to your sister, boy. You're too wicked. Jayden, you're too wicked. You shouldn't do that to Ashley. You shouldn't do that to Ashley. That one wicked little evil boy. Mr. gotta beat you. Mr. Jayden gotta beat you. Mr. Jayden gotta beat you. You have to come down today. Yeah. Rosealee, you need to take out the tongue ring out of your mouth. That's why you're black and ugly. Jesus God. And you show it. Look how you black. Look how the tongue ring in your mouth. Stay about Rosealee. You have money. Rosealee, buy something better than that in your mouth, not Rosealee. Have a mop in your mouth. The black ugly tongue ring in your blood clam out. And you say you're hot girl. You're on TikTok. And have the black tongue in your mouth. And you say, I hate to beat the girl them. Hate to beat those blood clot girl them. And your mouth, the tongue in your mouth black and ugly. But I hate to the girl them. Why am I the girl them, Rosealee? Why am I the blood clot girl them, Rosealee, with the dirty tongue in your blood clot mouth, girl? Take out the tongue out of your blood clot mouth, Rosealee. You see the Rosealee? Rosealee, you see the blood clot tongue ring, black and ugly. You see the man class what they tell you about the tongue ring in your blood clot mouth, black. Take it out, man. Take it out of your blood clot mouth, man. You need to take out that blood clot out of your mouth, Rosealee, man. Put it in something better than your blood clot mouth, man. You need to put this something in your mouth better than that, man. When I got that ugly in your blood clot mouth, Rosealee, and your blood clot money. Take it out, man. Take it out today, man. Take out the blood clot out of your mouth. Miss if you take out the blood clot tongue ring out of your mouth. Rosealee, top post up on people blood clot car, but you buy a blood clot car. You buy any blood clot car. If you go buy a blood clot house, a long time you say you make blood clot money on TikTok, but you buy a blood clot car. Top tier blood clot, like you don't buy no blood clot car. You don't buy no car post, you put up on people blood clot car. And top walker and rich bad on people. Top walker and rich bad on people, the blood clot packet. They are come for everybody like a blood clot. They are rich and dead from people. If you stop it, Rosealee, if you stop it, that's why you but they just get up and fast with the people. If you stop it, Claire Rosealee, if you stop it, man. But take out the tongue out of your mouth, and you see rust